Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind scrappywife.com, and I have a new box of goodies from the Scrapbooking Coach. Let's unbox it together. It is always a super exciting day when I receive a new kit from the scrapbookingcoach.com. Now, this is a monthly subscription kit. Their supplies and kits are not available a la carte. You sign up for the monthly subscription. And it's awesome because it automatically gives you variety in your stash. They do a great job curating all of these pieces to put together around a theme, and I just love it. I love getting fresh supplies like this fresh influx coming into my craft studio each month, and they're always really inspiring. Plus, scrapbookingcoach.com has this huge resource of tutorials and layout ideas and ways to use the different supplies that I have enjoyed for sure. So make sure to check out scrapbookingcoach.com. I do have an affiliate link down in the description box below. So check it out, but let's go ahead and unbox this kit for November. All right, first of all, it comes in a super sturdy box. And I know we've all said it, like I've definitely reached a certain age when I'm like super impressed by the sturdiness of a box, but it is a really nice box and something you can use over and over again. You can see they have instructional videos and a Facebook group, just great resources, like I said, to help you use your supplies. And then here are the goodies in the kit. I'm going to pull them out. And I'm going to move this aside and we are going to check out what's in the kit. I'm going to open up the papers first because I feel like they kind of set the tone, and then we'll check out all of the rest of the goodies as well. All right. Every month you get 12 papers that are in 6 different designs, front and back, which I love because then you don't have to pick your favorite. So it's definitely giving you all of the winter feels for this one. Look at the music in the background and kind of the pine. And then that gorgeous scene, like, are you kidding me? That's so pretty. They tend to have more of a mixed media feel to these pages, just kind of how this looks painted. I love it. That's why it's my jam. Very pretty. So you get 2 of those. And then this one complements so nicely with the snowflakes. Again, the music in the background and then music in the foreground. I'm a musician. My husband is a professional musician. So that is right up my alley. How pretty are those? My goodness. Look at this. Oh, those are beautiful with the pink in the back. I feel like the pink is unexpected. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And then, yay, I love me a cut apart. And these are tag style, which is fun in so many ways, not the least of which would be to create tags for your presents in the upcoming season. I think that's gorgeous. I love it. Oh, and this one too. Do you see what I mean about like it looks a little mixed media-esque? This looks like it was just hand drawn on here. That is beautiful. And then gorgeousness. That's interesting. That's a really interesting, it's kind of like pixelated in the background, but the snowflakes are overlaid over the top. That's very cool. Gotta love a Christmas plaid for sure. Very versatile. And then, oh, the wood tones. Hi, G. I love that concept. And I love me a wood tone. That's just, it's very calming. Do you guys get that feel? Like the calming colors of this kit, it does feel like winter days. And look, you can always use the edges right here. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it. This is like, it's definitely winter, not necessarily Christmas or holiday, which I think is lovely because you can use it for so many things. Look at all of that yummy paper. I'm so excited. It's a good quality cardstock, double-sided, lots of variety, calming colors. Makes you want to like curl up in a blanket with your cup of hot cocoa. Absolutely love it. Let's check out what the extras are in the kit this month. Okay, so the fun thing about the Scrapbooking Coach is that you get a variety of different things. You don't get the same stuff every month, which I love because it stretches your creativity. So let's check out what we got. First of all, we have a nice little ribbon detail in kind of the traditional holiday red. Great for adding some detail to your projects, but you can see how well it kind of coordinates with what has been given so far. So I love this for a texture element. Then this month we got some alpha stickers, which I like, but these are in like block alpha, which I actually very much love in my journaling. So these will probably find their way into journaling in December or January. Very nice. Love that you get multiples of some of the letters, plus you have numbers at the bottom. That's fabulous for adding into your projects. What else do we have? All right, these are stick-on rhinestones. And at first I was like, when I saw them in the box, I was thinking that the pink seemed odd, but actually when you include them in some of these pieces, like if you took, see how there are berries on this page, and if you took just a few of the rhinestones and not solid, but just put them here or there, that would be a wonderful kind of sparkle. And I think the pink in the end, I was like, oh, why isn't it red? I think the pink looks really nice. And like I said, a little unexpected, which I'm digging. So we have the rhinestones in there as well. There's some good stuff this month, you guys. You guys know I love a stencil, and truthfully, I love a snowflake stencil. So this is fabulous. The spacing is kind of nice so that you can use it as is, or what I would probably do is layer some of these, like I would stencil on this section, pick it up, clean it off, and then like stencil on doing some layered mixed media feels. But these snowflakes, absolutely perfect. And stencils are fabulous because you can just reuse them so many times. While all of these get used up, this one is one that will live in your craft room for a long time. And speaking of supplies that will live in your craft room for a long time, there are some great ones this month. You guys, these are metal dies. If you have a die cutting machine, this is amazing that they would include these with the kit. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different snowflakes, including some teeny tiny ones, some intricate ones. What you do with these is you put them face down on your paper, you run them through your die cutting machine, and then it cuts these out with the snowflakes. I love it, and I can't believe they were able to get these included in the kit this month. I think that's so cool and such a good value. And there's 2 sets of stamps. Like, what? That's so cool. So you have this one that has all of these different words on it. Noel, the most wonderful time of the year. It's the season for magic. From the North Pole with love. Let it snow, and 'tis the season to be jolly. Great sentiments, especially if you are doing some card making, which I know a lot of us are doing right now, preparing for the holiday season. And then you have these. Love this one. This is like a kind of abstract music background. Great for adding like a texture look on your page when you're doing art journaling. You have the hat and the mittens, which are separate from each other. A pine cone, which I don't have a pine cone stamp, so I think that's awesome. You got your little birds here, and then a little sprig of holly, which I think is gorgeous. So you guys, that's a lot in one kit. If you think about it, you have the 12 really good quality papers. You have a couple, little bits and pieces to add fun, texture, and sparkle to your projects, stickers, and then a stencil, 2 sets of stamps, and metal die cuts. That is fantastic. I cannot wait to use some of these. You'll definitely see them making an appearance over here on my channel. So stay tuned for that. But while you wait for that, make sure to head over to scrapbookingcoach.com. Now would be a great time to sign up. Give yourself a gift into the new year, a subscription for the year, just to know that you're going to have fresh craft supplies every month is something fun to look forward to. And it's always fun when that happy mail kind of drops on your doorstep. So be sure to check them out. I do have that affiliate link below. Check that out. And I'm excited. I can't wait to play with these supplies. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. You all are the best. If you're looking for a fun, creative community to be a part of, head on over to my Patreon channel, give it a look and see, we're saving you a seat. We'd love to have you over there. All right. I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.